Hello, good morning. Welcome to 15-Minute Friday. So what we do, if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. What we do on 15-Minute Friday is we take 15 minutes and we see what we can make. A lot of times we're super busy and we don't want to sit down and do anything because we don't think we have enough time, but we do. As long as we got 15 minutes, we can create something amazing. So I've got these dried flowers. So this could be an epic failure, but we're gonna try it anyway. I've got these dried flowers and I haven't used them yet. I found these little tags in one of my thrift store finds. And so I wanna see if we can make a cute little collage of dried flowers as an addition to, well, it could be addition to a journal. It could be just something cute that you want to hang in your art space. So many different things that you can do. Doesn't have to be super fancy, right? Or purposeful. Just make something because you like it, man. It will be fun. All right, so let's see. We are couple minutes before 7, so let's just get started. I'm gonna open these up. I've been dying to use these and I just hadn't gotten around to it yet, so let's see what we got going on here. Maybe I'll not count our opening of the package towards our 15 minutes. Ooh, they're a lot brighter than I thought. Oh my goodness, how delicate. I've never worked with dried flowers. They're gorgeous though, aren't they? I don't even know the proper way to open them. Oh, probably up. Looks like we need to go upwards this way. All right. Okay, so I kind of want to make a cute little collage. All right, so we're a little closer to right at 7. Let me take a quick sip. Cheers to the coffee. All right, now I need my tweezers. There they are, and I'm gonna need glue. I don't know if we'll put anything behind it. Oh no, nah, come on. Set that there. Okay, all right, let's start our 15 minutes. I know I'm gonna want something green, so let's see if I can grab something green from under here. But I don't want anything, oh wow, that's so pretty. It's huge. I don't want the whole thing though. Do we have any little? I don't think we have any little. All right, so can we just take this? Oops, I clearly have no idea what I'm doing. We're just gonna start because, oh, here. Oh man, I almost forgot to ink. Let's go. I want archival because I don't want it to move. To move. I could take that out. Let's just take that out. It's going to be in our way. We don't have time to fiddle with anything on a 15-minute Friday. Just going to go around the edge like this. Just get a little bit on that white. Going to darken the edges a little bit to give it more of a frame for our flower. Ooh, pretty. All right, now let's see how this goes. I don't even know how much glue you should put. I'm just putting bits. Let's see what happens here when we do this. Do I need to use this to push it down? No, I just need to use my fingers. Okay, so there's that piece. Now, how do we want to layer this? Let's think. Since I haven't opened it, I don't even really know what all is in here. We've got this big one, which is too big. Oh, these are cute. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is the better way to do it, clearly. We've got blue. We've got these guys. How about a little sprig of this? I think I just break it. Then do I just hold it maybe? And do the glue. So I'm using art glitter glue. You wouldn't have to use this. You could use school glue. You could use, oh, I don't know if Eileen's Tacky would work well with this. Okay, let's see here. I think I want that right about there. Like I said, guys, totally new to this game, so I don't know if I'm doing it right. I don't know. How do you get rid of it? Let's see. If it goes too far, or you don't, I'm gonna get my little scissors. If you don't know, like if you need to trim it, can I just go like this? Oh, I knocked the little pink one's head off. Here. Oh, come here. Come here, you. Go in that little spot of glue. There. This could be a total disaster, but we're gonna try it anyway because I think it will maybe work. All right, so we want more color. Do we want one of these little ones? Maybe right there. Let's put that one right there. I got these from Temu. Little bitty package, but I think you can get them pretty much at any craft store. Especially now that there's a lot more people doing resin. I think there's a lot more of this stuff. That might be the area where it's your best bet to find it. I'm gonna add a little more glue in here. I don't know about you guys, but I love trying new stuff. Something a little different. And you just get to, I think trying new things like get your brain going in different ways, I believe. Okay. How's this thing holding up to the glue? It might take a little longer to dry. This feels papery, but it kind of has a coating on it. Oh, look at these. These are cool. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Gosh darn it. Look at the little, that doesn't go with what we're doing right now though. I'm not gonna get my stuff done if I'm messing around looking at everything. But I gotta see what's in here. Can I just use my fingers maybe? Okay. Here's the blue. We got this. I'm thinking, I'm sure it's pretty. That would make it neat. Ooh, multi-layer. We should try that. I'm thinking we want one of these guys as our focal point. Maybe. Or maybe one of these and then another pink. I guess maroon's probably the right word for it. Let's put that there. You know, it would be an interesting little experiment is if you touch it, you have to use it, like in cards. Or Is it Checkers that does that? Once you pick it up, you got to move it. That's what you're playing. That might be kind of fun. Oh, this has the really cool little stamen pieces. I think that's what they're called. How about a little more green over here? Oh, come on. Whoops. Oh my God. Oh my man. Oh, that didn't even make sense. Oh my man. Oh, goodness sakes. What about the head on? Ooh, look at that's got some. Well, I guess we're using this one since we pulled it off. God, it's so delicate. So delicate. I should have done the other side on this one. No, I'll go like this. All right. So we got that. I was thinking that having difficulty, guys. I was thinking that it would be cute to have this there. We still could do that. Let's go like this. Let's pop it off here. Oh, apparently, and also there. But we'll get it. It'll be fine. We're gluing. We'll just glue it where we want it and it will be fine. Maybe. I don't even have a hold of it. It's just stuck. Ah! What I needed to do was clean my tweezers here. Can I move it a little bit before it dries? Yes, that's what I wanted right there. All right, now we want this big maroon one in the front. The bigger maroon one in the front. Right? Are you kidding me? Okay. I'm not sure how long this is going to take to dry, but I think it's pretty cool. Let me do this before we have any more catastrophes here. Can you imagine if you knocked this on the floor and all those tiny blue flowers like went everywhere? Oh my God. That would be quite a mess. All right. I'm gonna stick this back in here, and do I have a paper clip anywhere close by? I do. I'm gonna tuck him back in, and then I'm gonna paper clip this closed. Hopefully that will help. Okay, so what's it doing in the back? I think it's going to take a little bit of time to dry. You could even take this then. Is it too big? I think I like that. I think I want to do that. It's the exact same size though. How can we manage to fix that? We could put another, how cute would that be in a journal? But I think we would want, I wonder how transparent this is. Can you still see it? Not good enough. I think what I might want to do is take something transparent and cover it, maybe after it dries. Need to do something to seal that in. You know, I've got a little bit of UV resin. I wonder if I could use that to seal it in. Or What about some medium? We're going to try it. Let's delicately try it with some medium, and then we'll have to let it dry, but that's okay. Let's try it. We got a couple minutes left. Ooh, that's gross. We need to shake that up. There's my squeaky chair. All right. Now, I'm gonna glue the top shut, I'm sure. I'm being so gentle. And maybe it would take a couple of coats. I feel like we need to seal that a little bit. Always in the direction of the flower. Oh, some of the color came off. Let's see if I can get some of that cleaned up. I don't know if this is going to be the best way to do this, guys, but we're trying it out because it's something new. Glad we used archival. All right, we're going to let that dry, and we're going to see what it does. And we're going to try to clean this off so I don't glue my medium shut. And we're going to try to wash my brush so I don't also ruin that. All right, guys, we'll pop back. I'm going to let that dry. But I think, you know, we're at our 15 minutes. We did what we wanted to do. And I think we're going to have a super cute little dangly bit for our, see, it's pretty wet. It's going to take some time to dry. A cute little dangly bit for wherever we want to put it. So we'll have to come back after it's dry, and I will see you soon. Hi guys, it did work. Look, 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 look. That held it down nicely, and so there you have it. Success. Excellent. All right, guys. Happy crafting. Bye.